So I just want to let you know that this video, it might be all over the place. Warning. Hey y'all, it's me Maya. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as y'all by the title, I'm gonna be doing some jeans. It's gonna be an attempt. I don't really know how the title is gonna be, or what the title is gonna be, because right now it's Friday. I have to have my video up by Monday, meaning I have to have it edited and everything. So I'll probably be editing as I go, so I don't have to edit all at once. Let me just set y'all on the tripod and stop acting stupid. Okay, so right now, I said I'm gonna do 3 different jeans. Right, I'm gonna tell y'all what I want to do, but I don't know like if they'll actually get done because today's Friday, like I said, and tomorrow I'm gonna go to the store because I don't really have a many jeans. So yeah, and so right now for the little bleaching thing. Okay, I didn't tell y'all. So oh Lord, never mind here, guys. I'm gonna make a video, or I might make a video. If not, I'm just gonna fix it. But I haven't went nowhere, so I'll probably fix it tonight so I can go to the store. I don't even know if it's really that serious. Anyways, I want to do the bleaching split one, which is what I'm going to try to do today. Because I have bleach and I have a one pair of jeans that I'm fine with like messing up if it messes up. And that's, yeah. And so tomorrow I'm trying to go to Walmart and get some like cheap jeans so I can do the rest just in case I mess up. Because I want to try painting my jeans and then it's like a transfer paper. I've seen, I'll put their channel down below. I will try them on for y'all so y'all can see what they like before. But they're just some jeans that I got. But these actually fit better. I mean, like, I look stupid in them, but they fit better than I remember, honestly. And it's like, they're not bad. They're not bad. But it's just like, out of all my jeans, these are, because like, okay, if I was to do this and it works, it has to be a pair of jeans that I at least somewhat like, because if I just get the jeans that because I have jeans I just really don't like, but if I do these and they work, I'm not going to wear those jeans because I don't like them at all. So it has to be somewhat like, and out of all my jeans, these are the ones that fits that, you know? This is how they fit in the back. I still don't like these jeans for the same reason that I said, oh, look at my back, my back. Okay. I still don't like these jeans for the reason that I said. Because it's like, you know how when you walk, like they falling down all the time. And I don't like that. You look like a square, like. Okay, so I changed shirts and stuff because, you know, bleach. Okay, so I'm outside in my backyard and it was just raining, so it's like wet everywhere, but it's okay. So I just laid the trash bag down and I have duct tape. I'm going to tape down this center seam, whatever it's called. Okay, so I just did that, so yeah. Okay guys, so it's been an hour, so we're gonna go downstairs and see. Hopefully it lifted a little, or hopefully it's not melted because, you know, bleach can eat through fabric. now I'm in the laundry room. I haven't did the pants, so we're about to get. Oh, I was laying down. I was like, it's okay. Impression at the same time. My first impression. Yeah. Okay. Bro, this is such a. Okay, cause like, why did it do somewhat good at the top? Look at the top. The top looks like from right here. It looks like it's two-tone, doesn't it? It was stink. I don't like smell of bleach. It doesn't stink. It just smells like bleach. But then it's like nowhere else. Like it's like barely on this side. You see? Like if you're just looking at the legs, you can't even tell the difference. So I'm gonna try to go over this tomorrow. Okay, so it's the next day, and I'm freaking mad because I wanted to do this the next day because, you know, bleach will develop faster in the sun. And so yesterday was all cloudy, and it's been sunny all day, hot. And I was just in the car and it was sunny. And as soon as I got home, it's like the cloudies now, not the the cloudies. Anyways, I went to Walmart. I can only get one pair of jeans. Oh, I think it's gonna come back now. Can't tell. Oh yeah. Anyways. Why is it so dark? Hold on. So I can only get one pair because I thought the fitting room would have been open, but she was like, the fitting room's closed, and I'm like, I understand, but it just made me kind of irritated because I was up there standing. She wasn't saying anything, like, so I'm like trying to grab it to show her that I'm like trying to go, and then she's like, the fitting room's closed, like, you could go move. I was just standing here the whole time, but whatever. So I got one pair, and I only got them because it was on sale, and because I needed some pants to do it too. So, and this is these Wranglers. I was gonna get the George brand. The George was like 11 and these were 9. So I was like, cause the George, and the first 21 pants that I like how they fit me the most, they were 28, 30. No, they're just a 28. So I don't know the length, but they're just a 28. And then the George ones, they only had 30 and 32. So I just got these ones because they were 29 and it was supposed, this is 29 and 32. But it's slim straight. And so I don't know if they're gonna give me the fit because I think it's supposed to be regular to get like the boyfriend fit. But they're men's jeans, and it's Wrangler. So they was on sale for $9, and it was originally $19.97. So yeah, they was on the clearance rack. That's how they fit. I mean, they fit, I guess. Like they fit okay. Maybe like once they wash and got the creases out of them, they'll like fall a little bit better. Cause I don't know. It's how they look in the waist. Can you see my hair in the way? I'm like bloated in this clip and the last clip because so it's doable because if you look at how this looks like, because these are the kind of shoes I would wear with some Jordan ones, but I gotta get another color, but they look okay. Like an oversized tee. This isn't oversized, but you know. Okay, yeah, I like. Period. They look stiff though. Okie dokie, so I just looked at the solution. I know there's gonna be a lot of background noise because the fan's on in that room and the AC just turned on. But I just looked up the solution to make like for the tie-dye because that's what you basically, I'm not doing that, but to get the right one. Because if I look up for cleaning, for clothes, they might think I'm looking for like when you're trying to clean clothes, but I'm not looking for that. So I'm gonna get a bowl, but it's half and half or 1 and 1. So like if you do half a cup of bleach, half a cup of water, or if you do 1 cup of bleach, 1 cup of water, it's very simple. Just measure the same and put it together as a mix, and then you're good. So I have them taped like this, so all the way down, and then I like tape the button spot specifically because yesterday I just like put tape over it, but I like covered it like this today. So yeah. Basically what happened was I messed up once again, you know. I just think I think it's a lot easier to do with the gel, which I would have used again, but I didn't buy any at the store and I didn't want to use it all. So right now I just sketched the first sketch. I don't really like it, and yeah, but I'm gonna try to paint it because it's like I didn't want to like for real sketch because like right here you can see all the ink, and so I didn't want to like go heavy because there's gonna be ink and it's gonna be like excess ink and it's not necessary. So I'm gonna start painting right now. I'm not gonna film this part. I'm just gonna paint with acrylic, you know. But first thing I did was sketch, and then I'm gonna fill it in, and then I'm gonna try to do details with a smaller brush, and then yeah. Okie dokie. So I just finished my pants. Now I remember how I told y'all this is how they look, by the way. I'll show y'all a close up. I just did the Rick and Morty painting right there, and then I did that, and then I put a Playboy right here because I didn't want nothing on this leg. But I don't want, like, because this is, like, taking up, like, mostly over half of the pants. Like, half is, like, right here, and he's really taking that much up. And so, like, to me, when you do it, like, right across from each other, it's not even because then it's only something on the bottom. So that's why I did it on the bottom. Okay, so the first bleach application, like, I haven't washed them. The first bleach application started at, like, 2 o'clock, and it's 8 o'clock. It's 8:40, actually. So this has been sitting with a bunch of bleach on them for like forever. And I'm gonna bring them in because I'm ready to wash them at this point. I'm tired of waiting. But let me show y'all. This is how they look. So just like I should wash. Like at this point I should have just did this to repeat the whole thing. But like as you see in the back, it didn't change. Like it looks the exact same. And it just smells like straight bleach. And this is from the table. It's like dirty, but it's what it is. Like this might have light in it because I don't know if this is this light, but like the back didn't do anything. Like it looks freaking terrible. So I just talk fast because I cut the clip. I cut out a lot, but basically, when I was bleaching the pants, I didn't record it all because I was getting irritated. So I bleached it like 3 different times. But well, I just added bleach on top and it didn't do anything, so like it messed up the pants. And also when I looked up online and it said to set acrylic paint, well, you have to heat set acrylic paint to make it last longer, so that's why I'm ironing it. And I just went over it like about 3 minutes, but I like went over it and then I went back to it, so yeah. The main thing that you need is transfer paper for this one, and this is the one that I have. I got it from Hobby Lobby. I don't think, well, this is for dark fabric because I'm going to be doing it on dark jeans, but if you don't do it on dark jeans, then get the one for light fabric. Okie dokie. My video is going to probably be real choppy because for some reason my camera keeps, I don't know, apologies how I look. But my camera keeps stopping. I'm going to do like a glow up or get ready with me soon because I be looking hit for no reason. Like, I promise y'all I look better sometimes. Just takes effort and I don't be feeling pretty. So these are the jeans I'm using. They're not like, but those are not the jeans I'm using. Oh, they're right here. These are the jeans I'm using. So those have rips. These ones are just basic black jeans and they don't have any rips in them. I'm not ironing them before I put the pictures on because like I used to iron anyways. And so yeah, they're not like boyfriend. They're just skinny jeans. And so yeah, I'll be back when I have like all the individual pictures cut out. Okay, so we have them all cut out. This is one picture. I have Squidward. And then I have the little baby thingy. And then I have this picture. 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 And then I have this one. And I have this one. Ooh, I got all it, bro. Okay. I got all these pictures off Pinterest, and so it comes with, I don't like parchment paper, but it's like the iron paper. It comes with 2 sheets of this, so I'm going to go downstairs, and I'm going to read the directions again, and then I'm going to take my pictures, my this, and then my pants. I'm going to go downstairs, because that's where the iron is. I'm not bringing it up here. Okay, so I've already ironed the pants. I don't know if you can tell or not, but they was my wrinkled. I just needed to be flat, and they said to iron just to get the excess moisture out. And I peeled the peeled the backing off, and it's just like a really flimsy piece of paper, basically. So I just finished all 3 of it. Well, I just finished the pair, so all 3 are done. And so I'm gonna post a TikTok. I have to make it first though, like with outfits that match the jeans. So you can follow my TikTok. It's the same as my YouTube. I tried to post on the screen, but I don't know if I will because I gotta like hurry up and edit because I gotta post this today. So when you see it, it's the same day. So yeah, and then, but right now I'm gonna show y'all how they came out, all three of them. I'm gonna put like some music in the back, but I'm not gonna have an outfit on to match them. It's just gonna be like, I'm just showing y'all how they look. So yeah, but anyways, thank you so much for watching this, like, comment, subscribe, comment down below what videos you want to see. Yeah, bye-bye.
Run that back, turbo.
Playmakers.
Okay. Out of my wrist, kinda been spinning. Mad at the coupe, mine with no tenant. Chop out the top, hit it the limit. I got some cash, I wanna spend it. New paper tag, didn't wanna rent it. Too many fads, too many bitches. Roll my slime, get in my lizard. Ready to slide, you will get slithered. Hey, we ain't got ties, you ain't gon' ride. You ain't my slime, you ain't my slime. Young gon' go on my prime.